G'day team, welcome again to another My Active Attitude video. As always, my name's Rochelle, here to guide you through your 5 for another workout. Most importantly, keeping you strong, independent and aging in style. Now today's focus, what we're doing you may ask, ball exercises. $3 from your local shop. You might have seen them with children, grandchildren at the local park, but today this ball's going to be your best friend and once again your best investment for $3. First, starting off, believe it or not, we can activate a lot of our leg muscles by using a ball. So sitting on the edge of our chair for number 1, we're going to be placing the ball between our thighs, squeezing the ball, holding for 3 seconds, once again breathing and relax. Squeezing, holding for 3 and relax. Squeezing, holding for 3 and relax. From your perspective, it looks like I'm not doing much, but I can assure you the muscles on the inner part of my thighs and around my knees are well and truly activated, adding to that strength in my legs and stability around my hip region. Moving on to number 2, ball goes down between the ankles and without ankle weights, without anything else, we're just lifting that ball up and back down. It looks simple, but it does require a lot of core strength to remain still in the chair while straightening those legs and coming back down. If you want to cheat, you can move further back in the chair using your arms, but obviously to make it harder, sitting towards the end of the chair, guys, trying not to rock back, using those core muscles, holding the ball out, and once again breathing. With all of our videos, all of our exercises, we're all about strength, we're all about healthy living, lifestyle, 2 lots of 10 exercises, guys. That's 2 though. We're going to do our 5. What's next? Nice and simple. We can once again use our balls to do our chair stands, but most importantly, making sure we don't cheat. Using our hands, we've got something to counter our weight with. So once again, sitting in our chair, using the ball, standing up. Looks simple, maybe not, try it yourself. Once again, remembering from our previous videos with our chair stands, we go nose over toes and standing up nice and tall. And another good thing to do with our ball is reaction time. Something that, you know, might be compromised, might not be, but a great way to be challenged with the ball. So when we do our chair stand, we can come up nice and tall, we can add a throw and catch and bounce. And as you can see, the ball might go slightly off center and it's up to you to respond. Once again, guys, 2 lots of 10, throwing and catching. Now another good one, just to throw in a bit of balance into the mix, we can stand heel to toe, once again with a bit of hand support, holding the ball. Now just to be safe, it is good to make sure that you've got something to hold on to nearby, whether you're near a wall or a table or a chair. And even if you want to progress things a bit further, you can add a walk into it, okay? Believe it or not, guys, that's our 5. We've got some chair stands, we've got some throw and catching, we've got some squeezing between the legs, and we've got some leg lifts with the ball. Have fun with this one, guys, and most importantly, best $3 investment you can make. See you next time.